Hair products is essential. You always want like just a little bit, you know? Especially the morning after.
What's up, Jason?
Hey!
Dude, how far out are we going?
We are, okay, we're gonna see how far we can go. Because if you keep going this way, you can end up at Alta Sierra, the ski resort.
So, I guess we're gonna see if we can make it as far to this ski resort. Is it abandoned or is it like a current ski resort?
It's a current ski.
It's a current ski resort. So, that's cool.
It might be abandoned now.
It probably abandoned now. So I don't know. I guess we're literally gonna go on this road into the mountains as far as we can. It's gonna be an adventure, guys.
Look at that. Straight up abandoned house. Creepy, man.
So this car is like totally stuck. Check this out. Dang. Oh. Yeah. Try not to get stuck again. Just, it looks legit. Also, everything worked out with that car, so that's good. Everybody's safe on their way home. Time-lapsing right there, time-lapsing over there. They're shooting some 22, and it's super beautiful up here. Got some cool drone shots. Unfortunately, I don't have a lot of battery on my cameras. I was ill-prepared today, but I'm gonna try and film as much as I can and hopefully salvage all this together into a good video. Anyways, see you guys.
Look at this!
So that was a hidden waterfall out here in Bakersfield, California. Shout out to the Maples for showing me. Thank you, Cassie. It's cool. And this is just a really cool area. I wouldn't have expected this to be out here. But yeah.
Little hidden falls, man. All right, Danny's gonna throw this into the thing and watch it go down. All right, you ready, Danny? Go for it.
Just remembered he's been on this road before.
Yeah. With a church van.
With a church van. You took this sketchy mountain path.
We did. Watch, there's gonna be some like, there's this part where there's like abandoned like houses to the like, abandoned to the left and to the right.
So there's a bunch of abandoned houses?
Yeah, like wait, yeah, you'll see it if we go up that far.